A seeker has asked a question. Myself a woman, I have observed that people do appreciate my body, but they do not take my thoughts seriously. Why is it so? Being a woman is, in the entirety, a collectiveness of her body, her thoughts, and her feelings. Our society has accepted woman on the basis of her body and has trapped her in the body by means of appreciating or condemning it. Society is threatened by thoughtfulness in women. For her thought is full of deep absoluteness and creativity, where there is no room for divisiveness, breakage, and fight. The society and the religion, based on allowing thick-headedness and stupidity to flourish, has always been afraid of the power of women's thought. Whether it is the developed countries or the developing countries, dual standards and suppressive and exploitative approach towards women is found everywhere. Discussions and revolutions focusing women are merely reactions against thoughts focusing men. Men and women in themselves are unique. None of them have to be like the other. There is no need to feel low or high. There is no need to fill oneself with the thought of insignificance or greatness. We have to try to bring forth a complete woman and a complete man. This completeness will come from the understanding, the accepting and the transcending of the levels of body, mind and feelings. Woman has to free herself from her body, meaning freedom from obsession with the body. By sharpening her thoughts, a new flight will commence of her. Society has either talked about a woman's body or about her feelings, but the bridge of thoughts joining the two has not been paid heed to. It is this negligence that is responsible for not giving completeness to either a woman's body or her feelings. The body is beautiful, it is divine, but it is necessary that you know the body in its true sense. The true understanding of body is the rhythmic collectiveness of physical body, thought body, and feeling body. And when you see your body collectively, you go beyond the body and live as a collectivity, the wholeness.